Dun 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 dun. What's good, guys? Got a new pickup in. It's Force Friday, and I picked up the Millennium Falcon. I was trying to go for the little remote control BB-8, but that thing was gone by the time I got there. So what I ended up doing is hopping on eBay, and I picked it up for a pretty good price. It was only $20 over retail, so I was like, it. Once that comes in, I'll do another video on that because that's the one that I really wanted. That little droid looks freaking sweet. But I've actually never played with one of these, so I figured let's do it together. First, we'll open them up. Contents: Millennium Falcon. Ooh. USB port, remote control, and instructions. But we don't need those. I'm not recording. I'm just in my room jacking off. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Look at how accurate and detailed that is. It's very lightweight and is actually made out of styrofoam, which actually looks like Boost. I guess Boost really does look like styrofoam. So you got the on and on switch, or on and on switch, the on and off switch. Then you got the little charger port, and I just put in the batteries in this guy, which I thought belonged like 3 in this. It takes 6 AA batteries, by the way, but all 6 of them will go in this thing. I thought that it was like 3 in this and 3 in here. And then I'm gonna have to use this little guy right there, which actually plugs right into that charging port that was on the Falcon itself. And I'm gonna have to charge this thing up, so I'll be back later. Come here. Come here. Can you see? Are you seeing? No? Can you see his head down here? Mm-hmm. This is Bubba. This is Nightwing Jr. Say what's up. Say hi. Say hi. No? Okay. We're gonna fly this guy, okay? Okay, so we gotta turn it on. Oh, there's lights. Did you see that? So, okay, let's see. Is it on? Is it on? Hold on. Technical difficulties. Oh, we have power. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay, stand back. That was a blaster. Why isn't it going? Ah! 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 Is everything okay? Oh, 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 oh. Oh, this is sick. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Ah! Oh no. That was awesome. Okay, put it back. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Oh, oh! Okay. Hold on. No, no, no. Ah! Hey! Oh. Okay, hold on, let's see. Oh no, not the shoes. Come here. Oh. What do you think, bud? Ready? Set? You like it? Yeah? Okay. Oh man. What is it? Star Wars? Okay, ready? You want to come here? Okay. Ready? Set? Shoot. Sorry. Okay, one more time, one more time.
Didn't sound like it turned off.
You okay? Is it okay? You gonna hurt your finger? Which one? That one right there? Got you good. Yeah.
He's trying to do knuckles.
Good job.